Hello, everyone. Today we are going to present to you Weaver, our capstone project. Our team consists of Carol Chen and Yating Zhang, as well as myself, Jeff Rosen. Over the past few years, many designers have begun to start up their own brands and their own companies to sell their designs as products, and many manufacturers and factories around the globe have taken notice of this. However, the designers are recognizing that a lot more goes into actually getting their product made than just knowing how to design it. There's a lot of information about how each product gets made, what types of things to look for. And with all of this information out there, they aren't necessarily sure about where to look or what to trust, and risk possibly following misinformation or being taken advantage of by the manufacturers for their naivete. And that's where Weaver comes in. Weaver is an online platform where designers can connect with and learn from not only other designers who are in the same stage of learning how to create their product, but also from more experienced designers who are willing to help those designers through the process. They'll also be able to find and connect with manufacturers with whom they could then later commission to actually create their designs and figure out which manufacturer from the list provided is right for them. And now I have a short video to walk you through a typical user journey for Weaver.
Jane, a freelance graphic designer, has been recently looking into selling some of her work as pins and other accessories. Since she doesn't have much experience actually making products, she spent some time doing research online. However, she feels a little overwhelmed by the surplus of unstructured information she finds and is a little unsure about how to get some of her specific questions answered. Jane decides to check out Weaver, an online designers community platform, which was recommended to her by her designer friend. After spending a couple days browsing and posting on Weaver's community forums, Jane thinks she has a good initial understanding of the industry and the process, but feels like she wants to get some more personalized feedback from a more experienced designer. Jane decides to use Weaver's Find a Mentor feature and searches for a mentor whose expertise matches her current needs. After connecting with a mentor, Jane spends some time talking with them and getting some feedback on her design, as well as how she can better communicate and negotiate with the manufacturer. Heading over to the manufacturer showcase page, Jane finds a list of manufacturers that produce the type of product she's looking to make. Jane sees that one manufacturer is holding a live stream discussion panel on their workplace techniques and factory conditions, and she decides to listen in. Liking what she hears, she then goes to the manufacturer's profile page and checks out their product catalog and other relevant information, and then saves the manufacturer to her list. After connecting and talking with this manufacturer's representative, Jane feels ready to move on with this manufacturer and get her product made with them. Jane decides to let her mentor know that she found a manufacturer and thanks them for their help. As she does, she receives a message from a bot telling her she could buy her mentor a cup of coffee as thanks. Jane, now much more informed about the intricacies of the manufacturing process for pins, is ready to confidently move forward with getting her designs made.
Thank you all very much for listening.